All right, so we're out in Mexico first and foremost. Absolutely not the United States of America. My car's turbocharged now, so this rematch should be interesting. We'll see if the turbocharger and all the money and time spent was worth it. I'm gonna put the car in map 2, which is 10 psi, map 1 is 7 psi, and we're gonna start with a roll race, and then we'll come back from a dig. So let's get it started. Let's hit 30, and then count it off with the horn, all right?
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Wrecked him! Let's go, dude! We destroyed him! Oh my god! Dude, the turbo rips! Oh my god, the turbo rips. Wow, dude. That felt incredible. Oh my god. Alright. That's pretty promising, man. Holy shit. Let's get his reaction.
Sparks smacked my car.
Dude, yeah, your car throws sparks. How was that? I feel like I mean, obviously I won, I think.
Yeah. No, he hit a bump and it sparks.
I hit a bump and sparks flew?
Yeah.
That's cool. I wish there was footage of that shit. Dude, that was sick. The car pulled.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit, okay.
That was sick, man. All right, let's go back. From a 30 roll, but I mean, we beat him this time. Last time we lost hardcore, we got gapped, but this time I took him to Gapplebee's. Honestly, it feels so good. Dude, turbo on the BRZ, worth it. Send it. It's lit, dude.
Taking it in third this time. I was just testing it out.
What do you mean taking it in third?
It was in fourth.
Oh, so you from 30 miles per hour, you were in 4th gear?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you should have been in a lower gear for sure. Oh, dude, that diminishes my win. That wasn't a real win. Are you just making that up?
No, it was a drive. It was driving forward.
Oh, god damn it, bro. That's some bullshit. All right, wait. So first, while I have the GoPro out, I'm gonna open up my engine bay just to show the new turbo setup. So here's my turbo setup. It's a Speed by Design G500X kit. It's probably the most affordable kit you can get, barring like an eBay kit or something. Right now I'm pushing 10 psi, but I can also run 7 psi. Thanks to the delicious tuning, boost controller. And yeah, I have the whole downpipe wrap, PTP turbo blanket, no, fully catless all the way down. And yeah, I mean, she rips. It definitely feels way faster than NA. You're really in 4th gear?
Yeah.
You were in 4th gear on a 30 miles per hour pull.
In drive is 4th, that's it.
Of course I pulled away from you, dude. I was in 2nd.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
All right, man, well, that's some bullshit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lay it up to the trash this time.
Check out the intercooler. Oh, I got some bugs on my intercooler. Get the f out of here. Get out of here. All right. I'm gonna take my oil cooler cover off. That's basically because I don't have a thermostatic sandwich plate. And so if I don't have this on when I'm just daily driving it, it just doesn't get hot enough. But now that we're racing, I should really take this off. Thankfully, I like made this little thing out of cardboard. I just spray painted it and put a sticker on it, so it looks like somewhat pretty. And Verus engineering. Oh, also a new mod. Added this this fire extinguisher. You know, better safe than on fire. I got this bracket off of eBay from some guy in like Switzerland. It's super sturdy. This thing is locked in there, and it's just nice to have that peace of mind. Like, I hope I never have to use it, but it is there in case it happens. And I do have a friend who had a WRX that lit on fire. Luckily, he was at home and had a fire extinguisher. But yeah, just better safe than sorry. Oh, I forgot to turn my AC off. That'll give me like 5 horsepower. Go.
3, 2, 1.
No idea how fast I was going. I was just focused on keeping the car straight. Wow, even with a terrible launch, we caught him. That's it, man. Turbo BRZ faster than a G35. Just that power to weight. I mean, they pretty much got the same horsepower. I'm not pushing 85, nothing, just straight 93 on 10 PSI, which is, I imagine, I haven't dynoed it because I got street tuned, but I imagine it's like 270 wheel horsepower, which is about what he's pushing. Just, I got that weight advantage. Terrible launch, and I still got you.
Hey, you got out, I'll give you that.
Dude, yeah, I closed the gap. Like, I got a terrible launch because it just like spun tires and like the revs just like, went up, and then I went into second gear and it was just like super low revs. I had to like climb back up, but then once I was in third, that was it, game over.
It was like, oh, okay, I was in third. I was like, oh, out here.
All right, let's go back. It's a little bit scary. Just a little bit scary. I have to watch back that video to see how fast I was going. I feel like I definitely hit 100. It's just scary because when you're going that fast in these tight roads, you know, if like anything happens, like you're probably screwed. So yeah, it makes it more exciting, that's for sure, but it's definitely a little sketchy. Got it! Let's go, dude! Yeah, we'll see if I think on E85 with the tune, like, you might be there.
So I'm not as slow as I thought. That's great.
No, you're not, man. But yeah, I can't believe I still pulled on you.
Like boost. I'm like, I
hey, honestly, after all the things I went to get this done, if it didn't pull on you, I'd be fucking really sad. I'm glad, like, at least it's faster than I thought it was, because honestly I thought you were gonna win still, and I was gonna be really disappointed.
Like, you really got me at my torque curve is gone, so I'm like, okay, what's up, bro?
How does it feel?
I need more.
I need more power.
More power. More power, baby.
More power, baby.
Better than the last one. I would say that.
It feels better?
Yeah, it's like a lot more power, a lot more planet.
Yeah. Just being low and having tires that are not completely fucked.
Yeah. Oh yeah, damn near drag radial. Like,
damn near drag radial.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, they got something good.
Like that much.
Yeah, it's got some tread. Yeah, the turbo slaps, man. It's funny because everyone thinks like, oh, it's a BRZ, it's slow, and then like you pull on them and they're like, oh shit. Even with just an extra 100 horsepower, like, it's significant when your car weighs 2,800 pounds. And I could probably remove some stuff and make it way less, but I like it how it is right now. Yeah, your exhaust sounds good, dude. Like, I need a louder exhaust system. It's way too quiet. The turbo just quieted it down like a solid 30-40%.
Go for some red, though, while you're doing that.
Yeah, you want to hear this, dude? Your car sounds crazy. It's loud, dude.
It sounds like my old one, but louder.
Dude.
Cracklier.
Yeah, and like burbles at the end, it's sick, dude.
Oh my god.
That's
Like, I can feel it in
that's
my
your car,
chest.
dude. Yeah, it's loud, it pumps. Like, I wanna hear mine now. Hit it harder, hit it harder.
Hit it harder? Okay.
Right, red line that bitch, but not hard. Like. All right, stop, stop. It crackles, dude. That's pretty tight. It sounds good from out here, but it just doesn't have that volume.
Yeah, I feel that.
And there's nothing I can do to give it more volume besides like getting a new cat back.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about getting a Tome, but that's just like the extreme of the spectrum.
It's like, call.
It's very like nice to your neighbors, you know, like very thoughtful.
Yeah, it's like, oh, nice. And then you got this, and they're just like, oh, y'all.
You said fuck everyone.
Karen calls, bro. It's not even funny.
And yours.
And if I was ever going to ever
Rematch completed.
I know.
These feels better.
Do you want to go for like a passenger seat ride really quick?
Sure.
I don't think we've like full sent it with you in the passenger seat.
Alright.
Just to see how it feels compared to your car.
I'll do it back to back, all right? You give me a passenger pull, I'll give you a passenger pull.
Okay, let's do it.
I didn't unleash the beast yet.
All right, man.
I see what you mean by the launch.
I need to put on my seatbelt.
Yeah, I didn't either. I was like, oh shit. It's like gliding. Like this is where the weight difference really comes in.
The weight difference is massive. How much does your car weigh?
I don't know, like 30 something. I don't even remember.
33?
Something like that.
That's what I figure.
Just heavy.
Oh, there goes my keys. All right. First gear really fucking. Dude, first gear pull like launches my head back into the headrest. Like it's hard for me to even fight it. Which is crazy because it never did that.
How much does an Infiniti G35 weigh?
3,505 to 3,524 pounds.
Yeah, heavy bitch. She needs to go on a diet.
You can just start ripping the interior out.
I know, right? I know. Put you in the Godzilla over here.
All right, let's
Mini
do it.
Godzilla.
That tint though, jeez.
I know. Midnight. Like this is why I say in racing. Alright, let's see off. Hold up.
Damn, that gear's long. Holy shit, dude.
Hey, it subtly spins. Like the subtlest spin. But these gears are so long. So I'm like, oh, room for force induction.
Is that that fourth gear that's so long?
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Fucking menacingly long.
It feels good, man. It's torquey.
And then pop, pop, pop.
It's almost like your car feels faster, but mine is faster. Like I don't know how that happens. I guess it's just a torque thing.
It's the weight thing.
smells like it. It still feels like perfect.
I grant some good owners.
Oh yeah, dude, we got a new car. Isabel's Revenge. Let's go, dude. God, don't go into my car.
I got it. I can slide heavy.
Hell yeah, dude. Those pops. So do it one time. Like I feel that, dude. Ah, I missed that. Tome. Is that a Tome? Alright, you want it?
I gotta make a video of that.
That's sick. Alright, man, you want to head home?
Yep.
What time is it? Like 12:30? 12:30? Alright, let's go home. We did it. I got my rematch. I got what I wanted. I got my fucking victory. Let's go, dude. Alright, see you guys later. Hell yeah, well, there's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I got what I wanted. I got my rematch, and I got the victory. The Turbo 86 fucking rips, dude. And now it's time to go home. That was fun as hell. Man, I love cars. Like, such a weird thing to say, but shit, it's just fun. Round two? Oh, I mean, I'll do round two. One sec, let me just put in my maps to go home. There's one cop on my way home. All right. How do you want to count it off?
Huh?
How do you want to count this off?
I feel like it's about to rain, actually.
All right, well, we can start from a roll. Three, two, one. Yeah, it's just fast. And it's raining, so we caught that at the perfect time. Oil temps and take temps look good. AFRs look good. Car runs really well, man. And now I'm gonna put it back in map 1 because map 2 is 10 psi. Just 7 psi to be, you know, for that reliability. But hell yeah, that was fun. If you watched the video up until this point, thank you for watching. If you liked it, helps me out. And subscribe if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.